Hi everyone, are you looking to create your own custom YouTube thumbnails but not sure what programs to use? Well, worry no more, I have a solution. Keep watching to find out more. So today I've been looking around for a solution to help people in need creating custom thumbnails. I come across an online solution called PicMonkey, which I'm going to show you right now. This is the program once you open it. It's an online program, so there's no need to download anything. This online program allows you to use any image as a thumbnail with the extra benefits of being able to add free effects and features. Please note, some of these will require you to purchase, but there are free effects and features work just as good. So there's no more installing image editing software when you can use one that is online and available 24/7. So let's have a quick look, and I'll do a quick demo for you so you can actually see how this works. So first of all, you're going to need an image. Now you can use any image you like, any size. Once you have your image and you know exactly where it's located on your computer, you can actually come to picmonkey.com. I will put the link in the description below. You click on the edit or hover over the edit. You can click it and it will bring up to find the file on your computer, or as I said, you can hover over edit and then click computer. Once the dialog opens, it will give you a box to browse for the file that you're looking for. So I'm going to scroll down and I actually have a picture, this one here, the backup. So I'm going to open that, take a couple of seconds. It will be quicker depending on your location. My internet speed here isn't great, plus running my screen capture software, obviously it slows my computer down a little bit when it actually opens. Now you can see on the left side we have auto adjust and loads of other options, and on the panel here where my mouse is we have the basic edits, effects, touch up, text, overlays, frames, textures and themes. Now as I said before, some of the features and effects within these categories will have to be purchased. They're not all free, but the majority that are free are very useful and can be used very easily. So with my picture here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the text and wait for this to actually open up. Again, it's only slow just because of my screen capture software. It's not actually that I've got a slow computer. So once that's open, you can see we have all different kinds of text formats or fonts that you can use, font families. So what I'm going to do is just click add text, and you can see here we have the text box. And then what you need to do is click in the box and just type, so I'll write tutorial. Sorry guys, I'm just moving my keyboard, it's just caught up on one of my cables. So once you've done that, you can obviously click out of it, and I'm going to change the colour up on the right here to orange, just so it's a bit easier to see. And again, on the left side, we are going to click Arial Black, which will make it bigger and make the text a lot thicker. You can also make the text bigger by coming back over to the right side, either using the scroller to go up and down with the size, or you can click the arrow which will give you options, or another option is just to obviously click on the font size itself and input your own size. So I'm just going to put 45. Again, this doesn't have to be brilliant, it's just for a tutorial, just to show you guys exactly what you can do on here. Again, I can do it through the preview window by using the mouse, holding it down and literally pulling my mouse left to right to make it smaller and bigger. But once you have your right size, you line it up to where you want it. There is actually, where was it I found that? Oh, here we go, up on the right side here, you can actually put the text into the middle of the text box, just so you can center it a little bit easier. Once you have that, you can then put put some effects on the picture. So if I come down to textures, and the one I used before, which I know is free, so if I click on light trails, and I'm going to click on this, looks like a wave length sound effect. If I click on that, you can actually see the one that's on there at the moment. I can actually scroll through each one so you can see these are the different kind of effects that you can have through the pictures. And the one I used before was this one, which I do actually quite like. So I'm just going to use that. You can apply your saturations, make them higher, smaller. You can fade in, fade out. You can use your blend mode to overlay, multiply, lighten, whatever you want to do. It's entirely up to you. And once you have all of that, just click apply for that bit. Once you have all of that and your picture's done, you're happy with how it looks, literally just come up to the top, click save, and it'll ask you for a file name. Give it a file name. You can save it as a JPEG or a PNG. The quality you can change. So obviously Sean is bigger, Pierce is medium, Roger is small. Dimensions you can change, and the file size that it will be outputted will be down the bottom here, which at the moment it's 44 or just under 45 kilobytes, which isn't too bad. Once you're happy with how it looks, just click save to my computer, and once it's finished, just call this test. Only because I already have a file on my desktop called what it was just named as, so I can't remember what that was actually called just then. So click save, and once it's saved, it will bring you back to here and you'll see masterpiece saved at the top. Once that's done, you know that that picture has been saved, so you can actually close this whole window. You don't need it open anymore, and you may see that I haven't got anything on my desktop. Reason being is I cleared everything off just so I could do this tutorial. There is an easy way to do that. And basically all that is right click in, come to view, and just make sure that show desktop icons is either selected, so it's got a tick next to it, which will show you all your desktop icons, or if you deselect it, obviously you'll see just the blank screen. So if I put that back on, you'll see all my icons appear, and if I can remember where I saved it, let's just try and find that picture. Bear with me guys, I'll be back. Okay, so I found the picture guys. So what I'm going to do is just preview this for you so you can actually see. I'm going to wait for the window to open. Hey. So this is how it will look after you've saved it to your computer. And once you've done a video, or if you've already done a video and you just need to add your custom thumbnail, all you need to do is just literally go to your video manager, select add custom thumbnail, and just select wherever this picture may be, or whichever picture you're using may be, is located on your computer. Once you've done that, it will automatically upload it, and this will be your new YouTube custom thumbnail. So I hope this helps guys. Again, the link will be in the description, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers guys.